What to do to get this team going on the road. Lightning strike first here. Brian Bradley, great pass to Tim Berglund. He buries it past Tom Draper, and it's 1-0 Tampa Bay. The Owls come back quickly, though. Tom Kurver shot from the point. Screen. Pat Jablonski is screened. Hasn't much of a chance on this one, so the game is tied 1-1. Then the Islanders get a pretty goal here. Steve Thomas with a feed to Derek King. A pinpoint pass right on the tape. King just puts the stick out and tucks it in the net past Jablonski. 2-1 for the Isles. Later in the second, Derek King this time sent in alone on the left side. Blasted past Jablonski. 3-1 lead for the Isles. A couple of goals from Derek King. And that was it for Jablonski. He was replaced him. Nice individual effort coming up by Ray Ferraro. Kind of splits the Lightning defense and goes 4-1.